YouTube, how's it going? With this video, I'm going to try an experiment. Basically, I'm going to continue with the 2 minutes or less thing on videos for the month of May, but I'm not going to limit my recording to 2 minutes or less. The way I'm going to do this is that I'm going to start the recording, or perhaps make several recordings, you know, when the mood or inspiration strikes me, and then when I move all of that into editing, I will edit it down into chunks that will make for a video of 2 minutes or less, including the intro and outro. And that way, when I get cut off at the end, you will know that it will be picked up right where it left off in the next video. And as a matter of fact, tonight I may actually upload 2 or 3 of them just to get that started, and coincidentally get caught up on the fact that I missed one the other day. So that's what I'm going to be doing. Now, the first topic up for discussion is the new PC build that I have proposed. Several people, both publicly in the comments and also other folks privately, have expressed the opinion that, well, putting it nicely, that I am basically going way over the top on this thing, and that I could come up with a very satisfactory machine for considerably less. Well, I'm interested.